Hey guys, I want to thank you for coming back for another video. This one, I'm doing the intro about 3 weeks after the fact. This video is of my last couple dyno pulls. You guys know from the prior video we did of swapping out the 3.33 inch pulley for the 3.12 inch pulley on my Vortec. Drove the car out on the street. Car felt pretty good. Mid-range did pick up a little bit. I didn't give it a ton of it on the street. I thought it was hitting one boost level, and then we get on the dyno and found out it hit a different boost level, so it was a little bit surprising. This video though is going over, did I or did I not hit my goal? If you remember the prior video, the goal was I want to hit 500 horsepower to the wheels on my stock block piece of shit car. Stock Ford 94, 157,000 plus mile bottom end that's never been touched. I do have 3 bars on them, 3-bar GT40s that have not been ported. Again, non-ported Cobra intake manifold, nothing special. There's a lot of stock shit on my car. So stick around, guys. Hope you guys like this one, and we're going to find out in a couple seconds if I hit my goal or I did not.